Alright, so in this video we're going to solve the following equation. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Our first step is to divide through by a. We know a is not 0 because if a were 0 it would knock out this quadratic term, and we already know we're solving a quadratic equation. So dividing through by a, we get x squared plus b divided by ax plus c divided by a equals 0. Next, we subtract the last term from both sides, which gives us x squared plus b divided by a x equals negative c divided by a. And it's at this point we're going to try to complete the square of the left-hand side. That is to say, we're going to try to get the left-hand side into the form x plus something, which I'm going to denote by a triangle, squared. So let's multiply this out. X squared plus 2 triangle, x plus triangle squared. So our goal here is to find out what triangle is and to add it to both sides so that we can collapse this set of terms down to 2 terms squared. Alright, so let's match. This x squared matches this x squared. And this term looks sort of like this term, however it doesn't yet have a 2 sitting out in front. And we can do that easily by just multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. Right? So right now we have matched this term to this term. So triangle, in this case, is equal to b divided by 2a. And triangle squared is b squared over 4a squared. Right? So let's add triangle squared to both sides. X squared plus 2b over 2a, x plus b squared over 4a squared equals b squared over 4a squared minus c over 2a. Now the right-hand side we can change by just adding these two terms, right? To find the common denominator. So b squared minus 4a c over 4a squared. The left-hand side, I should say, we can collapse these three terms down into a single item squared. That's x plus our triangle, which is b over 2a squared. And it's at this point we take the square root of both sides, which gives us x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by not the square root of 4a squared, because we can easily take that square root, so we just put in the square root instead, which is 2a. Now both this and the positive and minus version of this left-hand side squared equals this. So we add this plus and minus in front. Next we subtract b divided by 2a from both sides, which will give us our answer. So we subtract b over 2a. But we know that's the common denominator, so b squared minus 4ac. And this is the solution to the quadratic equation. Now there's another solution that can be done, and I'll do that in the very next video. Thanks.